I'm Poonam Sherawat, and today I would like to explain you about the Prem Rawat Foundation's one of the signature program, Peace Education Program. 6 months back, we started in India, and now we have completed 26 workshops in 18 cities of India, and many more cities are going to start this workshop very soon. This is a very kind of learning and development program designed by TPRF to discover the inner resources of a human being. This is a very good workshop for intellectual class of people, very high class of people. We can do with them, and we can present message of peace in a very good professional manner to them. And impact of this workshop is really very great. I'll tell you what it is and how you can be a part of this program and how you can start in your city. See the curriculum. This is the curriculum of Peace Education Program. This is 10 session workshop, consists of short videos, and at the end of session we gave a reading material to all the participant, and we don't take it back, and if we don't have the hard copies we can mail them also. So there is a short video and there is a reflection. What is reflection? Reflection is a time when participants write in their workbook whatever they heard in the video, or what they understand in the video, and they discuss with the facilitator present in the workshop. So this is a very interactive kind of workshop, not just a simple video watching. This is very interaction and learning workshop. So each day has a specific topic. First day is peace, second day is appreciation, third day inner strength, fourth day self-awareness, fifth day clarity, sixth day understanding, seventh day dignity, and then choice, hope, and contentment. So these are the 10 sessions, and 10 sessions, all 10 sessions have a short videos at the end of reading material, reflection time. So participants understand the whole topic because they interact, they see the video, they write in their workbook. So it's complete package. And at the end of 10 session we give certificate to the participants. This is a business card. When we go for the meetings, we give our Peace Education Program business card. I can mail you the soft copy of this card, and you can edit with your contact details and take prints and have in your wallet. This has a name, my phone number, my mail ID, and at the back there is a TPRF address, post box address, so you can see it. So it looks very professional when give the Peace Education Program card, isn't? See, this is the workbook we give to the participant. Each participant we give this workbook. In this workbook they write the reflection. See, this is a very good illustrative, very nice workbook, and it is shown like a video's name and what the video is all about. There's a few lines there is written, and reflection time there is a blank space. So when you distribute this workbook to the participant, just tell them that have a look of this and read it carefully, and you have to write the reflection after the video. So this is the workbook. So we give the participant the workbook, each participant, and this is a reading material, article, and certificate at the end. When we go for the meetings for permission, we need a request letter. This is a letter on the TPRF letterhead. This is a written request. So you should keep it with you. And you need only 3 things when you go for meetings, like curriculum, and this is the request letter, your business card, and one most important thing, this is the video. Peace Education Program video. This is the 6-minute introductory video, and it shows what it is and how it will help you. This program runs in 30 countries including Pakistan. So you can show this video. This video is available on the TPRF website and also on YouTube. And I can also send you a video if you need it. So this is all about what I would like to request to all of you, that please start this workshop and try to get permissions at very high class community people, like in corporate, like in college with faculty staff, in universities, in with lawyers, judges, anywhere, doctors, in hospitals you can go. So you have to work on 2 things. First, people who can give you the links where you can go and take the permission. This can just give you the reference, so you can go there and have meetings and talk about this workshop. And the people who can work as a volunteer as a facilitator. So there is 2 kinds of volunteer in the PEP workshop. One, who can go and take the permission. Second, who can facilitate the workshop, whom we called facilitator. So if you want to be a part of this workshop, please request your email at my ID sherawat.poonam@gmail.com that I shown you in the card. You can note down it, or you can also mail at peaceeducationprogram@outlook.com. You can also join our Facebook page, that is the Peace Education Program page. This is a global page. People from everywhere share their ideas, their experience, their learnings on the page. So it will give you a very good learning platform also. And in Mumbai University, some research scholars are doing research on PEP, and they are going to submit their report in UGC. Very soon we are going to start PEP in Delhi University and in Jawaharlal Nehru University and some others. So openings are a lot of openings. In Bangalore, people are very enthusiastic, teams are very good, and they are doing many more workshops. They have completed 10 sessions, 10 workshops till date. So this is very good learning and development program. So you can also do it. Coaching teams are available, material is available. I'll courier you everything, whatever you will need, and I will be with you at every step. So you just need to take your one step, go and learn about it and do it. Thank you very much.